Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a dropshipping website on Wix. First, you will need to select a Wix business or e-commerce plan, which provides all the necessary features for online sales. Next, head over to the Wix app market and install a dropshipping application, such as Modalist or Printful, to integrate suppliers. Finally, define your target audience and choose a profitable product niche to focus your store's offerings. This foundational setup is crucial for a successful start. Once your dropshipping app is connected, you can begin importing products. You can easily add hundreds of items directly from your supplier's catalog to your Wix store. Next, focus on your store's design. Utilize Wix's intuitive drag-and-drop editor to customize your site's layout, colors, and fonts, ensuring a professional and appealing look. Remember to write compelling product descriptions and upload high-resolution images to attract and inform your potential customers effectively. With your store designed and products listed, it is time to attract customers. Begin by optimizing your product pages for search engines, using relevant keywords to improve visibility. Next, leverage the power of social media. Promote your products on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to reach a wider audience. Additionally, set up email marketing campaigns to engage with visitors, offer promotions, and build lasting customer relationships, driving repeat sales and loyalty. The final step involves efficient order fulfillment and continuous growth. Your dropshipping application will automate the order processing and shipping directly to your customers, saving you valuable time. Regularly analyze your sales data and customer feedback to identify trends and areas for improvement. To scale your business, explore new product categories, expand into different marketing channels, and continuously optimize your operations for sustained success and increased profitability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.